So hello guys, so today I'm going to talk about a new application that I found on Reddit. It's a terminal torrent client and it's pretty useful if you're just going to sail the seas and download some stuff. You can see that is really cool. And let's see how you can install it and how you can use. So if you want, you can read this Reddit. I will link this post in the description. To install this application, you need Node.js. So Node.js is a JavaScript package manager, I think. I don't know. I never used it. So you need to install Node.js. So on NixOS, you can just do this command nix shell -p and then WL clipboard and then Node.js. I will tell you why you need to install WL clipboard once we in the application. So I'm just going to press enter. Okay, now it's downloaded everything. So I'm just going to run this command. So I'm just going to copy this command. So I'm just going to paste it right now and then press enter. So there you go. That is all the setup you need. So now you can just go and press enter to go into the general browse section, I guess, and then you can just go and search movies, press slash to search, and then if you don't know anything, you can press this, and I can just not here and press this, and then you can see the navigations is the WHK like Neovem, and then you can see the search. You can see the all key bindings through this one key binding. So there are functions, there are gaming. So this gets it from the site. I don't wanna name it, but you know which site. And then movies, it will have a multiple site, and then you can just search and you can download it. And then there's also TV shows, and then you can download also anime. So it has a inbuilt seeding and downloads and everything, but I don't really want to use this as a downloader. So I really like Qubit torrent, so I will just use it along with this. So I'm just going to use this as a search engine. So I'm just going to copy this. I want to watch this movie, so let's just copy it. I can just press Y and then it's in my clipboard. You can see now it's in my clipboard, and then let's go to Qubit torrent, and then I can just press new and then add torrent. Not this, can press file and then add torrent link, and then there you go. And then I can just press OK, and then I can go Y. So that's it, guys. So that's it. It's pretty simple, it's pretty useful, and he can also go into the seeds and pairs. It really gives a high seed, and you can actually see that here. You can see that how many gigs is that, and then what kind of seed is this. So I do not promote anything illegal in this video. This is all open source, and this is all pretty do it, and it's for educational purpose only, so don't use this unnecessarily, I guess. So I want to talk more about this thing, why I added WL clipboard. The WL clipboard is to, when you press Y, it will you can see when you press Y, it has to copy the link, but if you're on KDE on Linux, it won't actually copy it because it doesn't support Clipper with the K. So it doesn't support it. So you need to install. You can see on the source code, I think it's coded somewhere here. I'm not a programmer, but I kind of able to figure this one out. So on you can see on PowerShell Windows, it will use PowerShell, I guess. Okay, and then on Mac OS Darwin, it will use PB copy, and then on Linux, it will use WL copy xclip and then XL on Linux. So that's it. So you need to download any one of these three. So WL copy is for Wayland, so I'm using Wayland, so that's why I installed a WL copy right like this. It's a Nix shell. It doesn't install it locally, but it installed it locally, but it's not available globally, I guess. That's how you can see, and then I will just run the Torlnk command. So I think that's it for the video. So if the developer of this video is this application is watching, I don't know, can you add support to this program? It's on KDE. If WL copy is not used, the KDE persons their own thing. Can you add support to? So that's all I want to say to today. So thanks for watching this video, and goodbye.